Hey everybody, this is Chris and we have a problem. This is something I've helped so many people with, and it's all been usually through like private messenger or in my Facebook group. But it finally happened to me. This has been my tried and true flyer in my videos. Not the one that's on my workbench that I always take apart as my sacrificial lamb. So this one's been great. This is the one I use for flying up into the waterfall and all my other shots or my other videos. But not today. Today I went to go do a video with it, and we had a problem. I looked at my FPV and it's shaking all over the place. So I knew I had a gimbal problem. Usually that's a connection problem. So I'm going to show you the footage from that flight, just a real small quick clip of it. And then I'm going to show you what happens when I power it up. Then I'll show you the fix. Then we'll power it up again and see the result. So I'm not going to do any sort of closing for this, so I'll go ahead and say it now. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. Thanks for all your comments, and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for future content and notification. And we'll bring you as much Zino stuff as we can. FIMI X8, FIMI A3. I've got the Parrot Anafi thermal now, and I still have my original Parrot because that person that was going to purchase it did not purchase it yet, and it's not looking like they're going to. And then we have the FT Aviator, the new yoke control for the Mavic, and so the Mavic will be coming to my channel, and I might put one more F11 flight on there before I give that baby away. And then we have some new stuff coming to review as well. So all good reasons to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thumbs up on your way out. I hope this helps a lot of people because it's a very common problem, and now you got a video for it. So take a look at the video, the fix, and hopefully if this is your issue, it's helped you out a lot. If it does, let me know in your comments. Take care. Okay, see how it's pointing off to the side? That's good right there. I mean, as far as it's stiff, but look at that. So that's not good. So now we'll pull the back off, make sure the plug is okay on the back of the camera. Okay, so I've taken this little cover off, and then if you notice right here, you'll see that silver piece. What you want to do is press on that very carefully. Now I have a different screwdriver here somewhere with a rubber tip on it. I don't know where it's at. So we're gonna have to use this one. But here's what you do. You want to carefully take and press against that silver plug. Did you hear that? It clicked. Okay. So it sounds like it came loose. I'm not going to put the cover on yet. We're just going to power it on. And we're going to see if it took care of the problem. Power it on. It's definitely straighter. If you remember, it was pretty crooked. See that? All better. That's all it takes.